Today we're exploring the Gravitational Field Strength Interactive Calculator, which computes gravitational parameters for any massive body in space. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate gravitational field strength, calculate mass of central body, calculate distance from center, calculate weight on surface, calculate orbital velocity, and calculate escape velocity. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Gravitational Field Strength. The calculator requires 4 input fields: mass of central body in kilograms, distance from center in meters, gravitational field strength in meters per second squared, and object mass in kilograms. Let's work through an example. I'm entering 10 kilograms for mass of central body, 10 meters for distance from center, 10 meters per second squared for gravitational field strength, and 10 kilograms for object mass. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 6.6743 e tar 12 meters per second squared. The comparison to Earth indicates this is 0.00% of Earth gravity, essentially negligible. The gravitational parameter m equals 6.6743 e 10 cubic meters per second squared. The additional info confirms g equals 0.00 meters per second squared. These tiny values make sense given our small test mass compared to planetary bodies. Find the link in the description below.